Shall I start, sir? Shall I start? Ji, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Am I clear? Am I audible? Okay. Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Okay. It's a great pleasure here to speak virtually to your club today. I'm going to perform before you my own memory skills and some math skills, and I'm going to show to you that at any age you can increase your memory. So, to begin with, all of you have cell phones, all of you have calculators. Can anybody give me a 2-digit number? 28. And any other big number? 87. If you multiply 28 and 87, the answer is 2436. Is it right? Okay. Great. Give me any other number. 99. I'm going to square this number for you. 99 multiplied by 99 is 9801. You can check it. Okay. Now, give me your date of birth. Something that the calculator won't know, you will know. I'll tell you which day you were born on. June 55. Yeah, 1 second, sir. Thursday. Makaria ji, you were born on a Thursday. Okay, now you know. Pankaj ji is just before you. Pankaj ji is on 17th June, just before you. Okay. Okay, who else? Your date of birth, your spouse's date of birth, your marriage anniversary, anything. 1st April 2016. 1 second, ma'am. Yeah, 1 second. Friday. That was a Friday. Is it right? Okay. Who else? If it's a 10th April, then just 8th is a Friday or Sunday. It's just 9 days later. Yes, ma'am. 6 what? 6 July 1984. 1 second. You were also born on a Friday. Okay. Who else? Yeah. (20 or 28 to 28? Okay, 28 November 79, and that was a Wednesday. Now, I showed you some of my skills of memory. More date of births we'll do little later. Can I ask you a question? How many of you feel your memory is good? Raise your one hand. Or just say yes. And how many of you feel your memory is not good? You don't remember anything? Raise both your hands or say no. There's no gun here. Okay. The first thing is that memory is not good. It is not bad. It's either trained. What is this written here? This is trained. If either it's trained or it is, it's either trained or it is untrained. So, do you want to train your memory? Yes or no? Louder, everyone. Yes, okay. So, to train our memory, we'll do a small example. But before that, just let us understand there are 3 laws of memory. IOC. What is I? No, then it would be M. I is something else. हाँ जी, आपके अनुसार I क्या है? बहुत सारे रोटरी इंटेलिजेंस बहुत क्लोज है, लेकिन सही आंसर नहीं है, लेकिन काफी करीब हो आप. अभी आप करीब नहीं हो. I stands for imagination. No ma'am, it's imagination. What is I? Imagination. What is O? O क्या है? No sir. Something else? O is observation. And all the children of the parents, the children, they always complain to me, my son, my daughter doesn't study with C. So what do you think C is? Concentration. ये 3 चीजें हैं मेमोरी इंप्रूव करने के लिए. लेकिन इसके पहले विल डू अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल. अभी हम वर्चुअली मिल रहे हैं, अगर एक्चुअली मिले होते तो वी वुड हैव ऑल स्टूड अप. लेट्स सिट एंड डू दिस टुगेदर. These are the 5 trees of London. First is oak. Raise your hand and say oak. Okay? Oak. Now comes beech. Beech is down. So let's go down. Beech. Okay? पहला क्या है? First is oak. Then is beech. Now comes chestnut. Hit your chest and say chestnut. Okay? Now comes elm. Touch your eye and say elm. And the last one is maple. You're showing the person away. Maple. That's it. आ गया सबको? आवड़ी गयो? Are there any Gujaratis in your club? Okay, Gujarati में से आवड़ी गयो. Understood. Okay, so let's see the 5 trees once again. पहला क्या था? Oak, beech, chestnut, elm and maple. That's it. So we saw how easily we could learn this in a fun way. We could have done this without action. We would have remembered it for now. But little later, we would have forgotten it. Actions play a big role in memory. And thanks to the action, you will be able to recollect for a long time. Now, as your I. What was I? Imagination is creativity. आप कितने creative हो, whether you are able to learn things in a creative manner, that is I. What is O? Okay? Now, O stands for observation. So, can I have Mr. Agarwal? What's your first name? Spell it. Wrong. Mr. Makhania, what's your first name? Spell it. No. I said, sir, spell it. Yes, absolutely right. Who said it? किसने बोला? अच्छा, good. Give her a big hand. Very good. Congrats. Okay. Good observation. Sir, is it possible to see all the members? I'm only able to see 3-4 people. Can I see all the members? Is it possible? Acha. So, shall I click on the gallery view? Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Yeah, that's more interactive now. So, great. It is observation IT. Now, one more observation. What is this in Roman? 9. Can I make this a 6? If I have to make it a 6, what do I do? If you reverse, it becomes 11. Pankaj, what's the answer? Yeah, no ma'am, that's not the answer. To make it a 6, just add a S. It became a 6. That is observation. Okay, one more thing. You don't use a calculator. Can I ask you a question? How many seconds are there in a year? If you have to calculate, what would you do? आप क्या करोगे? So if there are 86,400 seconds in a day, would you multiply it with 365? Would you? Acha. Okay, I would like to say we would need not do that. There are only 12 seconds in a year. How? 2nd Jan, 2nd Feb, 2nd March, 2nd April to 2nd December. So this is again observation. आप कितने observant हो, that plays a big role in memory. Don't feel that as you are getting older, your memory is going. You are wrong. As you are getting older, your memory can improve provided the right ways of memory are involved. C is concentration. I won't talk about concentration right now. Later, we will do something on concentration. Now, we have spoken a lot about memory. Let's go to a bit on maths. What is 5 into 5? Okay, what's 15 into 15? Anyone? 225. And one more, very well known answer. What is 25 into 25? Okay, now don't use the calculator. Do you know the answer of this? 85 into 85. If you know the Vedic maths trick, 6425 sir is very close. आपने 8 into 8 किया, you have to do 8 into the next number. 8 into 9. So the answer is 7225. Isn't it clear? So this is basically Vedic maths. Vedic maths plays a big role in memory. So if one more example, if I ask the audience some questions, what is 45 into 45? Absolutely right. 2025. Okay, let's play fastest first. What is 55 into 55? Great. And instead of 55 into 55, if I want to do 55 into 65, there is a difference of 10. Now, sorry ma'am, say again. Okay. How did you do that? How did you use the calculator? Okay, but now we will do it without the calculator. So how we do this thing without the calculator is very simple. When we have 10 difference ending with 5, we will not say 25, but we will say 75. And we have 5 and 6 here. So don't take 6, take the still bigger number. After 6 comes what? 7. What is 5 sevens are? 35. And as she said, the answer is right. It's 3575. So this is how easily you can do numbers calculations without the calculator's help. It's just that we have that phobia on numbers, on memory as we are growing older and we forget. By the way, sometime back I spoke about those 5 trees. Do you remember? I forgot. What were the 5 trees of London? Bataiye. Oak, okay. Beech, okay. Chestnut, elm and maple. Very good. मतलब आपकी मेमोरी सुरेश जी अभी भी अच्छी है. आई एम श्योर आगे भी अच्छी रहेगी. Good. That's great. Okay. So a bit of revision always helps. Okay. Now going still further into numbers before coming to memory again. Can I have a 3-digit number? Anyone? Anyone? Big 3. Sorry. 369. Okay, I'm going use your 361, right? I'm going to say the table of 369. All of you, please check the answers whether I'm right, whether I'm wrong. So please check. 369, 1 are 369, 2 are 738, 3 are 1107, 4 are 1738, 5 are 1845, 6 are 2214, 7 are 2583, 8 are 2876, 9 are 3321 and 10 are 3690. Was I right? Did you check it? Okay. And you check 369, the first one. 369 into 8 is 2876. 2952. Okay. So I'm sorry, I answered some other question. Ask one more. 369 into 7 is 2583. Is it right? Yeah. I heard something else. Okay, good. No, I heard something wrong, sir. Okay. 789 into 9 is 6801. And for that matter, 789 into 789 is 622521. That's a square. 789 into 9 is 7101. Yeah. Yes. So, good. This is tables. Now, I couldn't have mucked up this table. I have to use a trick. So, let me show a very elementary and a very simple trick which we all can learn. If I want to learn the table of 19, how do I do it? What is 19 ones are? 19. Now, what is less than 9? 8. Less than 8 is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is basically 9 to 0. Now I'm going to write here odd numbers. So after 1 comes what? 3. After 3, 5. And then continuing 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. That's it. The table of 19 is over. I could have mugged it up, but without any mugging up, I did it in a easy way. आपको समझ में आया मैम? मिसेस जालान समझ में आया? Yes, yeah. So basically आप टेबल्स इतनी आसानी से कर सकते हो. अभी इसके 3 आंसर लर्न करते हैं. What is 19 ones are? 19. 19 twos are? And 3s are? Okay, one more time. 19 ones are? 19 twos are? And 3s are? Okay, one more time. 19 ones are? 19 threes are? 57, not 38. And 19 twos are? 38. In any table, the fourth answer is the answer that people always find it tough to remember. Fourth answer is 7 and 6, 76. Fifth answer is normally easy one. 100 minus 5 is 95. So, 19 fours is 76 and 5s is 95. And in order to learn the table, it's also important to do it ulta. So what is 19 5s? 19 4s. 3s. 2s. And 1s are 19. Okay, now use your fingers for 6 and 7. 6 is 1, 1, 4. What is 6? 1, 1, 4. And 7 is 1, 3, 3. Now you know after 1, 1, 4, lot of people will do 1, 1, 3. That is absent-mindedness. When we say that as you grow older, your memory is going wrong, it is wrong. Memory always increases. But yes, this is true. As you grow older, you definitely become absent-minded. You forget your destination. You are in a vehicle and you pass the destination. You keep your specs somewhere and you search the whole house. The pen is here, you are searching everywhere. The phone is ringing, but yet you don't know where it is. So these are signs of absent-mindedness. There is an exercise called Brahma Mudra that we'll do in some time. If you do it regularly, it will help you to not be absent-minded. So coming back, what was 19 6 are? 1, 1, 4 and 1, 3, 3. Okay, now we have done 7 answers. Who is capable of saying them all without seeing? I would like to see anyone. Who would like to volunteer? Who would like to try? Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't see who was saying it. I think 2-3 people are saying. Okay, बहुत सारे लोग साथ में बोल रहे थे, समझ में नहीं आया किसने बोला. Okay, anyway, 19 6 7 8 is 152. Then 9 is the easiest one. 1 and 1, बीच में आएगा 7. 10 is 190. Now we have done the whole table. Let me ask you in between. What was 19 3s? 19 8s? Okay, 19 into 3 into 3. Basically, I said 19 into 9. I am trying to see how alert you are. What is the answer? 171. Great. तो आपने देखा कि आप इतना टेबल इतनी आसानी से कर सकते थे. Would you like to learn a table in a trick like this, or would you like to mug it up? I would like the audience to tell me. Trick. Yeah. So that way, every number has a trick. Anyway, now coming back to memory, there are 5 keys of memory. I, C, V, A, R. What is I? No sir, now it will be different. Imagination पहले था. किसने इंटेलिजेंस बोला? आपने बोला. सही हो. It's intelligence. Almost right. What is C? C stands for what? Courage. Who said it? Confidence. Okay. Great. C is confidence. A lot of people are not confident in their memory. So how will other people be confident? What is V? Victory. No. Now you are not right. Vision. Okay. Almost correct. It's visualization. Okay. What is A? A is what? Sorry? No. Not really. Attitude? Not really. Not really. Oh, great. Okay. Sureshji, that Mr. Khanna has not come today. He's a part of your association, na? Well, A is association. Okay. The word is association. And all our efforts